अरे 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 अरे, these products are parents and that's my baby. Work or not? Also a disclaimer I would like to give here. I will Ronnie don't which products for the first time and please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and don't Ronnie be trying this. Let me know in the comments below if you want and subscribe to my channel. That's Ronnie.
2 hours later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be trying out some skincare products from this brand called Good Vibes. Good Vibes is a made in India brand. Most of its products are paraben and sulfate free. They use natural ingredients for their products. So what I will be doing here is I will be giving my first impressions to you all, which means I will be trying their products for the first time and I'll give you my mini review for it. So let's get started. Also a short disclaimer I would like to give here. I will not be trying any anti-acne products, pigmentation products, night creams and products which require a lot of time to test them and they show their results. I will just be trying those products that give you instant results. So let's get started. So the first product I'll be trying out from this brand is the Good Vibes Wine Anti-Aging Face Wash. Wine is very good for your skin. It has antioxidants and it slows down aging process and reduces fine lines, and this retails for rupees 195. I personally love the packaging. It has a pump as you can see, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा travel friendly हो जाता है. This is how the texture looks like. This has really strong smell, very strong smell. Now many people think कि अभी हमारी ज़्यादा एज नहीं है, सो आई डोंट नीड एंटी एजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर आप पहले से अपने अर्ली लेट 20s से आप स्टार्ट कर देते हो एंटी एजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना, तो एजिंग प्रोसेस ऑटोमेटिकली स्लो डाउन होता है. सो लेट मी just wash my face and get back to you. So as you can see, this has made my skin very clean, like squeaky clean, but it is still drying. So because I have a dry skin, तो ये मुझे अभी भी dry लग रहा है. The result is amazing. I quite liked it and I think you should give this a try. So moving on to the next product, I will be using a toner. Now Good Vibes has a variety of toners with different ingredients for different skin concerns, but I will be using the pomegranate one. I have heard many good things about it. This is how the product looks like. Now इसमें MRP इन्होंने दी हुई है 195, लेकिन ऑनलाइन आपको ये अच्छे खासे डिस्काउंट में मिलेगा. Okay, so the quantity is 120 ml. It retails for rupees 195. The quantity for the face wash is also 120 ml. And let's try this. Very strong smell. I quite liked it. And as you can so this says it's a glow toner, pomegranate glow toner. So ये हल्की सी ग्लो देगा आपके फेस पे. So I will wait for some time and then see कि ये कैसा रिजल्ट दे रहा है. So I'm back and I quite like the result of it. As you can see, ये एक थोड़ा सा ग्लो दे रहा है मेरे फेस पे. ऑल्सो अ टिप आई वुड लाइक टू गिव हियर कि जब भी हम टोनर यूज़ करते हैं या कोई भी स्प्रे यूज़ करते हैं, डू नॉट अप्लाई इट डायरेक्टली टू योर फेस. हमेशा उसको अच्छे से शेक करके ही लगाना है, क्योंकि शेक करने से प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक्टिवेट होता है और तभी उसका असर दिखेगा हमें. तो इट्स बेटर यू शेक इट एंड देन यू यूज़ इट, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली अगर यूज़ करेंगे तो कोई असर नहीं होने वाला है उसका. सो दैट वॉज इट. एंड द नेक्स्ट product I will be using is the Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi gel. This is how the product product looks like. I quite like the packaging. It gives a luxurious feel, and this retails for rupees 175 for 50 grams of product. There are multiple ways to use this. सिर्फ डायरेक्टली फेस पे नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप इसको, मिक्स इट विथ सम अनदर प्रोडक्ट, एंड इसको हम DIY भी कर सकते हैं, अपने बालों के लिए लगा सकते हैं. नीम एंड तुलसी, इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेयर एज वेल, रिड्यूसेस डैंड्रफ. एक्ने प्रोन स्किन के लिए नीम एंड तुलसी वर्क्स वंडर्स, एंड आई वुड पर्सनली रिकमेंड दिस टू पीपल हु आर एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. So this is a green colored gel, as you can see. I will be applying it directly to my face, and let's see what results does this give. This has a very, इसकी जो smell है that's more of tulsi than neem and aloe vera. तुलसी की बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल है, and also this is quite sticky. So if you are planning to use it directly as a moisturizer, then I would not recommend this. ये थोड़ा सा sticky है, तो it's better you mix it with something else and then use it to your face, because this is making my skin dry. Actually dry है भी, और ये थोड़ी और dry कर रही है. The texture and everything is good, but it's better you mix it with something else and then use it. So moving on to my next product, we have a lip scrub. This is a Good Vibes lemon lip scrub. Let's try this. This retails for, I will mention the price below because I have actually thrown the outer packaging, so इस पे price लिखा नहीं है. I'll mention it in my description below. So this is how the product looks like. I think it's a sugar based scrub. Lip scrubs are sugar based, so let's try this. This has a very strong lemon smell. Lemon cannot be directly applied to your skin, so I believe they have essential oil in it. The key ingredients of this product are raw sugar and lemon essential oil, like I said. So let's try this and see how it works. It's difficult to speak. Let me apply and again get back to you. Scrubbing your lips is very important, guys. जिनकी chapped lips होती हैं उनको हमेशा lip scrub ज़रूर यूज़ करना चाहिए. This has made my lips pink, as you can see. I don't know the camera is catching it or not, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा pink कर चुका है मेरे lips को, but my lips actually feel good. I would give this product a thumbs up. You can also DIY a lip scrub. It's not necessary कि आप एक lip scrub में invest करो, आप DIY भी कर सकते हैं. Take some sugar, mix it with some honey, and you can also scrub your lips. But scrubbing is very important, guys. Like you scrub your skin, your face, blackheads और सारी dead skin और सब कुछ हटाने के लिए lips को भी scrub करना is very important. क्योंकि जिनकी chapped lips होती हैं उनको स्पेशली बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए लिप स्क्रब. एंड आई क्वाइट लव्ड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. आई लव द वाइन फेस वॉश, द टोनर दैट वी यूज़. जेल के बारे में आई एम नॉट श्योर, बिकॉज ये डायरेक्टली नहीं यूज़ करना है. अगर आपको यूज़ करना है तो आप इसको डिफरेंट चीज़ों से मिक्स करके करो, लाइक आई सेड. बट अगर डायरेक्ट यूज़ करने की बात है तो आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड. बट दे क्लेम दैट इट इज़ स्पेशली created and recommended for dry skin, but as I have dry skin I don't think this works, because मुझे अभी भी लग रहा है that I need a moisturizer. मुझे बिल्कुल भी moisturized feel नहीं हो रहा है. So I would not recommend this for people having dry skin. But if you are oily skin, then this is very good. This is very good. Oily skin and acne prone skin, this is highly recommended. You can use this. So that was it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week with a new video. Also let me know if you want me to review a particular product from this brand. I would love to do that. Till then, take care. Bye bye.